Hello and welcome to my simple read video. To get started creating my local environment for simple read, I need two things. First, I need the fire assignment starter that's pulled from GitHub here. And then to do that, you just download the zip, and then if you're on Windows, you'll need to extract the zip. And then once you've done that, open Visual Studio Code if you have it. If not, you can download it at Visual Studio Code. Then you'll open the folder where you downloaded it. Then once you've done that in Visual Studio Code, you'll see your files here. And then, of course, to get it working, you'll need to create your code to get the patient name by ID and the patient ID by patient name. Then to test this, you can use the base test that was given and then replace it with the patient number that I did here. And then also you'll need to make a test for get ID by patient name. And so for that, I used the name James. Then to validate that my name was correct, I went to HappyFire. I created for patient name is James. And I click on this link and it opens this. This will tell you your total number of how many patients match that, which is what I used here. The first one is pretty self-explanatory. If you give a patient ID, it should return the name. And so that's how I know those two are equal. Second test was a bit more complicated, which is why I went through the steps of explaining it. And now that I have given a demonstration of my local IDE, and now I will show you how I tested it. So as described in the Piazza post about this, you simply need to make sure you have Maven installed, and then do Maven, detest, and then since I only care about the simple read test, I'm only going to type in simple read test here. Otherwise I can do all. And then to make sure my code is working, I click run. Ta-da, it worked. And that is how I created test and set up my environment to make sure that my simple read code worked properly. Thanks.